So this dog is so scared, guys. Queen! Queen! So we're here. We are here already. Queen! So this dog is so scared, guys. This dog is so scared. He doesn't want to go in the bed. He doesn't want to go in that seat over there. So yeah, he is really shaking. He's so scared. Every little noise, every little bumps, he's just, yeah, he's just so uncomfortable. Yeah, I tried to comfort him here in the bed, but he's on my face, guys. I couldn't breathe. It's better for him to just stay right here in the middle. So yeah, guys. Queen, are you miserable? Yeah, you're miserable? You want to get up here? Come on there. Come up in the bed. Huh? Come up in the bed. Queen, come in the bed.